You are geared up for a massive day on the job site, you flip the switch to engage your dump bed, winch, or snow plow, and absolutely nothing happens, leaving you stranded with a lit-up check engine light. If you plug in your code reader and pull a P254C, your work truck is telling you there is a low voltage issue in the power takeoff, or PTO, speed selector sensor circuit. Unlike most engine codes that leave you broken down on the side of the highway, this specific fault usually means your truck will drive completely normal, but your heavy-duty auxiliary equipment is totally dead in the water. The PTO is essentially a mechanical gearbox that bolts directly to the side of your transmission, taking the rotational power from your engine and transferring it to run your exterior hydraulic pumps or mechanical drives. To make sure everything operates safely and at the correct RPM, your engine computer relies on the PTO speed selector sensor. When the computer detects that the electrical resistance or voltage coming from switch number 1 is dropping way below the expected minimum range, it immediately shuts down the PTO functions to prevent catastrophic damage to the transmission or the attached equipment. Before you panic and think your transmission is ruined, you need to understand that this is almost always an electrical gremlin caused by the incredibly harsh environment your work truck lives in. The wiring harnesses for these PTO systems are routed under the chassis where they are constantly blasted by road salt, freezing slush, rocks, and mud. Get underneath the vehicle with a really bright flashlight and trace every single inch of wire going from the PTO unit back to the main harness. You are specifically looking for wires that have been rubbed completely bare against the metal frame, or sensor connectors that are packed full of green corrosion and dirt. If the wires pass a strict visual test, grab your digital multimeter and check the actual sensor resistance against the factory specifications. Do not forget to check the simple things too, like a blown inline fuse or a degraded fusible link hiding in the safety circuit. Work trucks take a massive beating, and more often than not, a simple wire repair will get your hydraulic equipment back up and running without missing a single day of work.